There are 18 types of penguins in the world, with 5 being warmed weather penguins, which means they live in warm weather compared to the cold weather. How can you tell our penguins apart? While most penguins may look alike, each penguin has a unique pattern of markings on its chest, just like a fingerprint. African penguins live in coastal areas in the southwestern coast of Africa. They can weigh anywhere between 5 pounds to 9 pounds, and they can get as tall as 27 inches. In the wild, African penguins can live anywhere from 10 years to 20 years. African penguins love eating small fish. African penguins form breeding pairs and live together in large colonies of thousands of birds. They are also beautiful swimmers. They can dive almost 200 feet and stay underwater for several minutes. They can achieve speeds up to 12 miles per hour, propelled by their wings and webbed feet. Like I stated before, not all penguins live in cold climates. African penguins are found in Africa, which have hot climates compared to the chilly Antarctic. Penguins are threatened by their habitat because of pollution. Pollution is like trash and things that penguins can be hurt by being thrown into their habitat. So think about how could we help with pollution in the habitat that African penguins live in to help them become not extinct.